One of the first questions I'm regularly asked before pen has even touched paper is, so how much will the building cost? In order to answer that, we really do need to put some measurements on things. What I've shown here is a list of house types and approximate gross internal floor area and costs from low, average and higher. Although it's easy to focus on the low column, we have to be honest that that's probably unrealistic unless you're going to use a straight off-the-shelf kit. The higher costs are indicative of something like a passive house of a higher specification, and for most properties, the average column is a realistic price. The costs shown here are a couple of years old now and are based on a general contractor carrying out all the work and being responsible for the construction management. I've also observed over the last couple of decades that the expectations for the size of homes has increased significantly, where 150 square meters plus is becoming the norm.